Want to kickstart your day in a healthy way? Have you ever thought of incorporating juices into your morning routine? We all know the importance of a healthy breakfast. It's that vital meal that breaks the overnight fasting period, replenishes your supply of glucose, and provides essential nutrients to keep your energy levels up throughout the day. But what if we told you that you could amp up your breakfast game even further? Yes, we're talking about breakfast juices. These aren't just any juices, but concoctions packed with fruits, vegetables, and a whole lot of health benefits. Today we're going to delve into the vibrant world of 7 different breakfast juices. Each one is a powerhouse of nutrients that can give your health and energy levels a significant boost. From green goodness to a tangy citrus blend, we've got something for every palate. So, stay tuned to discover the perfect juice that will not only tantalize your taste buds, but also give your health a significant boost. First up on our list is the Green Machine Juice. This vivacious blend marries the goodness of spinach, kale, and cucumber, creating a vibrant concoction that's as pleasing to the palate as it is to the eye. But it's not just about the taste. The Green Machine Juice is a powerhouse of nutrition. Spinach and kale are brimming with vitamins A, C, and K, providing a robust defense for your immune system. Cucumber, on the other hand, is a hydration hero, replenishing your body's water levels, while also offering a soothing, cooling effect. Every gulp of this juice delivers a surge of energy, thanks to the iron and magnesium present in these green veggies. Plus, the fiber content aids digestion, making it a fantastic option for those mindful about their gut health. In essence, the Green Machine Juice is your ticket to a morning filled with vitality and vigor. So if you're looking for a nutrient-packed start to your day, give the Green Machine Juice a try. Next, we have a sweet and tangy option, the Apple Carrot Ginger Juice. This delightful blend combines the natural sweetness of apples and carrots with a zesty ginger kick. It's more than just a tasty concoction, though. This juice is a powerhouse of health benefits. Apples, brimming with antioxidants and dietary fiber, can help maintain heart health and promote weight loss. Carrots, on the other hand, are rich in beta-carotene, which is great for your eyesight. They also contain antioxidants that can boost your immunity. Now let's not forget about the ginger. This root is a well-known digestive aid. It can soothe an upset stomach, reduce inflammation, and even help with weight loss. When combined, these ingredients create a juice that not only tastes fantastic, but also aids digestion, boosts immunity, and provides a refreshing start to the day. This juice is a great way to balance sweetness and nutrition in your morning routine, so why not give this vibrant blend a try? Our third juice is a vibrant, nutrient-dense option, beetroot juice. This richly colored beverage is not only pleasing to the eye, but it's also packed with essential nutrients that give your body a healthy boost. One of the key benefits of beetroot juice is its high iron content. Iron is a vital mineral that aids in the production of hemoglobin, a protein responsible for carrying oxygen in our blood. By incorporating beetroot juice into your breakfast routine, you're helping your body maintain optimal oxygen circulation. But the benefits don't stop there. Beetroot juice also has the potential to improve your blood pressure. Studies suggest that the nitrates found in beetroot can help lower high blood pressure, promoting heart health. And let's not forget about stamina. The dietary nitrates in beetroot juice can help your muscles use oxygen more efficiently, potentially enhancing your physical performance and endurance. For a colorful and healthy start to your day, consider the beetroot juice. If you're a fan of classic breakfast juices, you'll love our fourth option, pineapple orange juice. This refreshing blend brings together the tropical sweetness of pineapple with the citrusy tang of orange, creating a delightful, vibrant symphony of flavors that is sure to wake up your taste buds. But it's not just about the taste. Pineapple orange juice is a powerhouse of nutrition. It packs a punch of vitamin C, a crucial nutrient known for its immunity-boosting properties. This means that with every sip, you're fortifying your body's defenses, helping you stave off common colds and other infections. Moreover, pineapples are rich in bromelain, an enzyme that aids in digestion and reduces inflammation, while oranges are high in potassium, which is beneficial for heart health. So, this juice is doing a lot more than just quenching your thirst. This refreshing juice is a great way to start your day on a sweet note. It's a classic choice, with a tropical twist and a health boost to boot. For a refreshing and hydrating start to your day, consider our fifth juice, watermelon mint juice. This thirst-quenching beverage is not only delicious, but it's also packed with health benefits. Watermelon, as you might guess from its name, is incredibly hydrating. It's made up of about 92% water, making it one of the juiciest fruits out there. But the benefits don't stop at hydration. Watermelon is also rich in vitamins A and C, which are essential for a healthy immune system. Mint, on the other hand, is a wonderful herb that can aid digestion. It has been used for centuries to soothe upset stomachs and promote good gut health. Together, watermelon and mint create a juice that's not only refreshing, but also beneficial to your body. It's the perfect drink to kickstart your day, providing hydration and a boost to your digestive system. This juice is a great way to hydrate and refresh yourself first thing in the morning. Our sixth juice is a bit of a wild card, but packed with health benefits, the turmeric tonic. Welcome to the world of spices. This vibrant tonic is as golden as the sun, and just as warming. Turmeric is not just a culinary staple in many cultures, it's also a renowned superfood. The key component, curcumin, is a potent anti-inflammatory agent that can rival over-the-counter drugs, and it doesn't stop there. Turmeric has been linked to boosting immunity, a vital aspect considering the health challenges we face today. It aids in warding off common colds and flu, while also providing a robust defense against more severe illnesses. But the benefits of this golden tonic extend beyond internal health. It's also a beauty enhancer. Consuming turmeric can lead to healthier skin. It's known to improve complexion, fight acne, and even reduce signs of aging. If you're looking for a juice with a bit of a kick, consider the turmeric tonic. Last but not least, we have a delicious and antioxidant-rich option, the Berry Blast. This delightful blend of nature's candy, including strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries, is not only a feast for your taste buds, but also a powerhouse of nutrition. Berries are famously high in antioxidants, those helpful substances that combat harmful free radicals in the body. They're also packed with fiber, a necessary component for a healthy digestive system. But the benefits don't stop there. These small but mighty fruits are good for your heart too. Studies have shown that regular consumption of berries can reduce the risk of heart diseases. The Berry Blast also offers potential benefits for your brain. The antioxidants in berries seem to delay brain aging and improve memory, making this juice a smart choice for maintaining cognitive health. For a sweet and nutrient-rich start to your day, consider the Berry Blast. We've covered a lot of delicious and healthy juices today, perfect for kickstarting your day. Let's take a quick stroll down memory lane and revisit the key points about each of these 7 juices, highlighting the main health benefits of each. First, we dove into the vibrant world of green machine juice. This power-packed beverage is a blend of nutrient-dense veggies like spinach and kale. Its high fiber content aids digestion, while the abundance of vitamins and minerals boosts overall health. Next, we savored the sweet and spicy apple carrot ginger juice. The carrots provide a healthy dose of beta-carotene, which promotes eye health, while the ginger adds a zesty kick and helps soothe the digestive system. Our journey then took us to the earthy beetroot juice. Its naturally sweet taste is accompanied by an array of health benefits, including improved blood flow, lower blood pressure, and increased exercise endurance. We then moved on to the tropical delight of pineapple orange juice. This citrusy duo is packed full of vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system, and bromelain, a digestive enzyme found in pineapples that aids digestion. Our fifth stop was the refreshing watermelon mint juice. With its high water content, this juice is incredibly hydrating, while the mint adds a refreshing twist and promotes good oral health. We then explored the exotic turmeric tonic. The star ingredient, turmeric, is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, making this juice a true health elixir. Finally, we ended with the Berry Blast, a sweet tart juice loaded with antioxidants from a variety of berries. These antioxidants help protect the body from harmful free radicals, promoting overall health. Each of these juices offers a unique blend of flavors and health benefits, making them perfect for starting your day on a high note. Remember, a healthy day starts with a healthy breakfast. So pick your favorite juice and give your day a nutritious start.